How to add View Shop button on Instagram application. To add View Shop button on your Instagram application, first of all, go through your Instagram application and hit on the profile icon. Now make sure that you have professional account. If you don't have, then go through the setting and privacy by hitting on the three lines from the top right corner and select setting and privacy. Then go to the account type and tools and switch to professional account. Then you will see professional dashboard on your profile page. Simply hit on that. Now if it is available in your region that you can view shop button, then it will be right over here on your professional dashboard. Go through the shops from your professional dashboard and then you are good to go. From there you can easily add a view shop button on your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.